Hi, it's me. I'm gonna do a day in the life of me just to have something to do. So it's gonna be very boring because I don't do much, but this is going to be a typical Friday for me. Oh, also, since this is a day in the life video, if this little mark on my shirt isn't a day in the life of me, I don't know what is, because that is deodorant, and that's something that I just noticed on my shirt, like during my exam, walking around with that. Not that anyone cares, no one cares, but I had deodorant on my shirt, and I still have it on my shirt because I'm too lazy to wash it off. That happens a lot for some reason, because I don't know how to aim my deodorant correctly. So let's talk about things. I'm a freshman here. Caitlin and I decided to start a YouTube channel because we don't really have anything else to do. We thought it'd be fun, another de-stressor. We like de-stressors. Nursing program is one of the hardest programs there is, so we kind of go through hell and back. So we like to do things that get our mind off of eukaryotes, prokaryotes, innate immunity, you know? I'm really into Demi Lovato lately. I have a job interview at 2. I could not tell you what the job is for. My mom has been on my butt to get a job because she wants me to have spending money, and she doesn't want to keep putting money in my account because I do spend a lot. So she keeps applying me for campus jobs, and I don't really know what they're for, so I just go to interviews not knowing absolutely anything, and then just kind of get there and think, oh, this is the job. Do I want to do it? No, but is my mom making me? Yes. So it's about that time for the job interview. So I'm gonna go to that. Guess what? I got the job, I got the job, I got the job. So I decided to celebrate me getting a job, and also hopefully getting a good grade on my med micro test. So I decided to go for some coffee at a little place in Johnstown. So I am gonna go do that. That is why I'm in my car. What? I knew this take. You know what? This is what I get for thinking I had a good day. What the fuck? What do I do? Oh. Ah! What? Oh my god. I'm just so mad because I just wanted a coffee. It's rare that all I ever want in life is a coffee. And now I have to sit in here for God knows how long, because I have to be in my car, God knows how long, and wait for a service vehicle to come. If I even get a service man to come, that will be
that'll be the best part of my day, because I just don't know. I don't know if that's gonna happen. This is what happens when I try to turn the key. I don't know if I'm supposed to keep doing this, probably not, but we're gonna do it anyway. Turn the key. Push it in. Those lights come on. And then I turn it off. And then the engine light. Yeah, so I am screwed in my line of work because this has never happened to me before. So I have no idea what to do. I don't know how long this will take. But the coffee shop is definitely going to be closed by the time I would get there, if I would get there. So I just say that today is an L. I thought it was a W, but it's an L, and I have to accept that. So I am back in my room now. It turns out I kind of got screwed over because the number that I called for Kia roadside assistance, apparently I'm not covered and I don't have Kia roadside assistance, but my mom told me I did. So I waited an hour for Kia roadside assistance to come because they said they would, and I called them again, and then they said, oh wait, no one's coming because you don't have Kia roadside assistance. So yeah, so then I called another company, and he should be coming soon. I hope so. I had to get out of that car because it was so cold. So yeah, so now I'm waiting for him to come, and hopefully I can get my car started and we don't have any other problems. So yeah, so pray for me. I really have had kind of a sucky day. It's 5:20 now. I first made the first call at 3:15. The guy that I called the second time, he came, thankfully. It took 2 times on his little portable jump starter thing. Nothing happened, did not start still. Then he had to use the jumper cables that connect to his car. I apologize, I do not know the correct terminology for this, but he had to use the jumper cables connected to his car. We did that 2 times, did not work. So I was thinking like, oh fuck, like I'm screwed. Like, I'm gonna have to pay some ridiculous amount of money because my battery's actually dead. Like, she needs to be towed. And then we tried it like a double one where he still had to connect to his car, but then he used the portable one as well, so double shot. And then he did that and my car started. So now I'm happy. And now I'm driving to go get some coffee. The coffee place I was originally going to go to, one of my favorites, is closed. It closes at 4:30. I missed that. So I'm going to another place that closes at 6. Hopefully they are still open. My luck, they probably won't be, but we're gonna go try it and we are going to go see. So thankfully I made it. I'm at the Morning Grind Coffee House. It's in Johnstown. I'm not totally sure where, but the main goal of the day, basically, other than to pass my med micro exam, was to get a coffee. And yeah, all I have to say is, that's right, Satan. You thought you could get me with that little car trouble shit? Ha! No. Yeah, that's right. Guess who got her freaking coffee? Me. I am done with this video. I hope it was as interesting for you as it was for me. So I am done now. Peace.